Do you want to display number like this, two like this? Let me show you the trick how to do it in the chat. Okay, first of all, type the number. Okay, for example, I have something like this. Okay, but where is my last, the front zero? I don't get it right. Okay, let's try. So we cannot put the zero here. So simple, just select it, home, and then choose the format to type. Then you can type zero or whatever in the front. Okay, let me type zero, something like that, and here something like that. Okay, so we got zero, but don't worry the front here. Okay, first of all, let's see if we want to keep the front four and the last two digit number, but the last in the middle we want to show like this. Okay, first of all, let's get the first three digit and the last two digit first. You can use left formula and our type right here. We want three digit. Okay, boom, we got right. So let's connect with concatenate with the star first and connect with the right formula. We take from B5 again, but this time we take only last two digit from the right. So you got that. But how we repeat the number in here? If sometimes the number in here, for example, less, not like that, it's less than, so sometimes the middle four digit or five digit have we repeat that. So let's try one formula. For example, I use 2 and I want to show 2 star. So we use wrap to repeat our type. For example, our type here like this. Okay. How many times we want to repeat? For example, 2. So we got 2 times, right? 4 or 5. Okay. So we have the idea, and let's update the formula here. So here we use wrap. Okay. And the number we want, for example 4 or 3 or 5, but our digit is different from number to number. So I can get length all the number from B5, the length of B5, okay, from B5 minus we got 3 from the front and 2 the last, so we can get 5, right? Minus 5, so all the length minus 5, we got the number that we want to repeat the star right here. Okay, let's see, boom, let's break it. I will show the formula. Okay, let's see formula type. This one. Okay, just repeat that. Okay, let me make this small, make this bigger, smaller. This is the formula. Okay. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. See you next time.